is there any advice that you could offer as just a final word to people watching this? How to prepare? Perhaps what is the secret, or what is the most crucial element in the preparation, or perhaps something that you haven't said before?
I would say, in terms of the legal knowledge, make sure you understand the law. Make sure you understand the principles. If you were to see a question, you'll be able to identify what's happening in the exam. Make sure, in terms of the skills, that you practice. Don't leave things until last minute. Go through each area. So legal drafting, make sure you've had a look at documents, legal documents, and before the exam, make sure that the exam's not the first time you're seeing a document to draft, because it's not really a good idea. I'll say business as well. Don't leave business last. I know that's the last exam for the final day, and a lot of us, we left it quite last. But I would say make sure you're revising business alongside your other topics. So when you go into the exam, it's not that it's a last minute revision. You've covered it. Enjoy the exam. Some aspects of it, you can enjoy it. Advocacy, for example, client interviewing, just those areas you can smash. Honestly, you can get the best grades. So enjoy some aspects of the exam, but it is difficult. So target it like it's a difficult exam and revise hard.
Thank you, Noreen. And to our viewers, yes, I totally agree and side up with Noreen. Enjoy the exam, and I wish everyone good luck in the exam. And thank you, Noreen, for joining us, and everyone else for watching us.